everybody, it's kind of late in the day, but I haven't posted the giveaway yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And this is gonna be for a stunt car. You probably saw it already on the little thumbnail picture, but I'm just gonna show you how this works real quick, so hang on. So that is the stunt car by Fisca. That is the drawing opportunity for this week. All you have to do is comment in the comments down below. That will be your entry. The drawing will be next Friday. So the entries will close next Thursday at 6 p.m. The giveaway drawing will be posted on Friday morning. That is the plan. I am having surgery next Wednesday, so bear with me if I post that giveaway a little late, but the comments will close at 6 p.m. on Thursday. So good luck to everybody and have a fantastic week.